How to make money on YouTube without showing my face. It is definitely feasible to make money on YouTube without revealing your identity. Without revealing your identity, I give video ideas and examples of money-making YouTube video ideas in this video. With the aid of these faceless video ideas, you can monetize your YouTube channel. If you want to start on YouTube without revealing your face, these face-free video ideas are fantastic choices. If you like to create material that is fully distant from yourself, some of these video ideas don't even require your voice. Here are the 5 YouTube video concepts mentioned in the video that you can create without revealing your identity. 1. How to videos. The main function of YouTube is as a search engine. After Google, it is the search engine with the second highest usage. Every day, people utilize it to look for instructions for various tasks. This indicates that how-to videos are quite popular and cater to a large audience that is continuously looking for them. You can create how-to videos on a variety of subjects without displaying your face. Software how-to videos are my personal favorites and the most popular in this category. These videos typically guide viewers step by step through a process. For the majority of topics, YouTube has an abundance of how-to videos. In order to create videos for such folks and achieve long-term success, you might look for underserved areas where how-to queries are not addressed. 2. Tutorial videos. Since tutorial videos are instructional in nature, they are comparable to how-to videos. They frequently focus on searches because many people look for instructions on how to manufacture or do specific tasks. Tutorials frequently take the user step by step through a project or job. Craft tutorial videos are my favorites in this genre because I make and enjoy watching them. These craft lesson videos can show someone how to start a project from scratch and what materials they'll need. 3. Slideshow videos. Videos with slideshows can be made quite quickly. At their most simplest, they are merely a slideshow. To create a mood, you can make a slideshow and then add either your voice reading or just music. By definition, slideshows are about the information on the slides. This implies that if you don't want to display your face in the video, they are a great option. 4. Compilation videos. Compilation videos occur in a variety of formats, but they all consist of combining several smaller videos into one larger one. Compilations of humorous pet videos or fail videos are a couple of examples. You can create compilation videos with the content of other people as well as if you have any of your own. You can produce videos without your face that are sure to receive a ton of views in any case. 5. Unboxing videos. For those who prefer to remain anonymous on YouTube, this type of video is an additional viable choice. Videos of unboxing naturally do not need to include faces because the attention is on the item being unboxed. A great unboxing video may be made using only your hands. The only drawback is that if this is your only kind of content, you can run out of stuff to unbox. Unboxing videos are probably one of several genres of videos you would want to attempt producing without revealing your face. YouTube channels can be built entirely around wordless, faceless content. Growing your channel is the best approach to increasing the revenue you receive from your little YouTube channel. You will earn more money the more people discover you. If you would like to start, grow, and monetize your own channel, click the first link in the description below to learn more. If you found value in this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more great content. See you in the next video.